guys, kain tayo guys. Late eating lunch because I have a lot of food here. So this is my dish. My dish is fish. Fish, pak siu fish. This is famous dish here in the Philippines. Pak siu fish. This is pak siu fish. With the buy sili. Yeah, this is the sea. Okay, I will show you the fish. This is the pak siu. My dog. Okay, let's eat guys. I can eat in my kitchen because I have a lot of pet cat. So I just eat here in my bedroom. Let's eat guys. Fish. Right. Bye-bye.